What's good, everybody? It is 7:56. Your boy got beat to the shop. That doesn't happen a lot. Let's see who's here. That's my boss and his client. Buenos días. Hola, ¿cómo estás, Freddy? How you doing? Say what's up to YouTube.
¿Qué pasó, YouTube? ¿Cómo estamos?
You look tired, bro.
I'm
Yeah, I have to beep that out.
I'll tell you whatever you want, bro.
Some slight work for the morning time. Gucci gang, no Lil Pump. We got the black forces, which you can't find anywhere.
The drive-by.
The drive-by.
Drive-by forces.
Little some.
Hey, I'm Louis.
I love it.
This is Giovanni. He works at Country with Integrity. If you need a vehicle and you're in the Amarillo area, hit your boy up.
Happy to help. Hit me up.
What's your specialty?
You need help from an island boy.
I enjoy helping MILFs.
He's a car sales boy.
We go on long test drives, take the back road. And
This is going on
really test
YouTube, bro.
The suspension on the car and make sure it works. Hey, what's up, Dave?
He's always busy. He's always on the phone. He's always about business.
On the 4th and Saturday.
What's good, everybody? So I had to leave the shop for a little bit. Had to go pick up my daughter. Slide away from the shop for just a second. Go pick her up, take her to the house. But, you know, I was thinking as I was taking her to the house that, you know, I'm happy that, you know, I have the job that I have, you know. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able just to go and scoop her up real quick. You know, most jobs are not going to let you just leave like that. Come and go as you please. And so that's one of the perks and benefits of being a barber is, you know, you make your schedule. You are the one that talks to your clients and you inform them of, you know, whatever changes you have, or if you have to slip away for a little bit, you know, that's all on you. You know, it's a really dope thing to be, you know, your own boss, quote unquote. But, you know, that's just one of the many blessings that I got to count in being a barber is the luxury and the freedom I have to come and go as I please. So that's just one little bit of, you know, gratitude that, you know, I just thought of as I was driving my daughter from school back to the house. So, you know, you got to count your blessings every single day and be thankful for the position you are in life. You know, maybe, your bit of gratitude is not, the same as mine, but everybody's got something to be thankful every day. We all woke up, we all breathing, we all are alive. So make the best of your day, make it count. But let's get to these next haircuts. Let's go to YouTube. This is my favorite client. His name's Antion. He's single, ready to mingle. He's got 6 kids, 3 baby mamas, but he makes bank. All the ladies in the comment section say what's up to Antion. I'm gonna leave his Instagram and his Snapchat. I'll go holler at him. Say what's up, bro. Introduce yourself.
You really recording?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Oh.
You camera shy?
Nah, I just didn't know you're for real, bro.
I am for real.
Oh, my bad.
Trying to shout you out, bro.
My bad. 6 kids, 3 baby mamas.
6 kids, 3 baby mamas.
Manic to shit. I love it.
Time out when I get a haircut.
Like you're in timeout?
God, you gotta get a haircut. You can't do nothing now. Y'all intentionally do it, huh?
What?
Y'all intentionally like have terrible.
It's been a long day. Closing it out. How you feeling, Jaime?
Pretty good, man.
About to kill it this weekend?
What?
About to kill it this weekend?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for it.
Ooh. Sauce God at work.
Gonna get another one.
That's icy. Sergio, say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, guys?
Did you watch the intro video I made?
I did. It was funny.
That's funny, huh? It's better be on this video. What up, everybody? So that's the day in the shop today. I'm not gonna vlog anymore this evening. I'm just gonna go watch the Cowboys lose, go grub at my mom's house, and then we'll be back at the shop tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to continue this Vlogmas thing for y'all. If y'all are enjoying the videos, hit that like button. If you're not, subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. We're gonna be uploading all month, so just stay tuned. And I appreciate everybody for just tuning in and vibing with us, vibing with the shop, vibing with the content. The barbershop is a whole vibe, regardless of what barbershop you're at. Any barbershop you step into is gonna have a vibe, man. And that's one of the things that made me fall in love with this job. It's just that vibe of the shop. So just shout out to all the barbers out there, clients, anybody who supports this channel, anybody, you know, who knows what I mean about that shop vibe, something that's unmatched. It's just a cool place to be, to hang out and have conversations with other people. But other than that, I hope everybody enjoys their day, enjoys their evening, or whatever time of day it may be when you're watching this. But until next time, God bless.